Hi my loves! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of acne scars while slimming, toning, and detoxing your face at the same time with my Gua Sha routine. It's an ancient remedy that works so amazing. I'm so excited to share all the hacks. Now before we begin, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, check out my Glowing Goddess ebook below. Now let's get started. So before I show you how to begin the process of getting rid of your acne scarring, you do want to wash your face. You want to make sure you have a clean face. I got this really amazing new cleanser from Drunk Elephant. I bought the small versions to test it out, the cantaloupe one, but I've been loving it. It's been helping with the appearance of my skin. I'll have it linked down below. So now it's time for the key ingredients, starting off with an amazing serum. This is a super high quality premium vitamin C ampule from Medicube. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video, and I am obsessed with all the time and care they put into making sure the product is potent with 13.5%, as well as packaging it very dark amber glass so that it prevents it from oxidizing and keeps the vitamin C as pure and potent as possible, which is why they also separate it into 3 small jars so that each jar, once opening, can be as potent and last as long as possible. I love how they took the time into making sure it's pure. I also love that it's water-based, which is amazing for sensitive skin, and the consistency, the texture is just so nice. It's thick but glidable. You can also do multiple ways to apply it to the skin. For the Gua Sha routine, I do like to just apply it straight on my skin, as you can see, and it does have a scent to it since it is so pure, but I actually love the scent and the consistency and just how good it feels on the face. This serum was designed to help with acne, scarring, as well as brightening the skin with melanin care to really give you an overall smooth, bright glow with plump skin as well. As you can see, don't mind the scar. I did just want to show you on my hand what it looks like, how smoothly it applies, and it's great for the Gua Sha. Now, the second tool you'll be needing to get rid of your acne scars as well as chisel out your face is a Gua Sha. This is a natural rose quartz Gua Sha. It's very important you get a high quality one. I will link the one I use down below. It's from the Ibiza Glow. I got it in a pack with a jade roller or a rose quartz roller, and I love this one because of the shaping. As you can see, the top end is the perfect size to chisel out my cheekbones, lift my face. This also helps with penetrating the skin when it comes to acne scars. The bottom is perfect for the double chin and neck area. As you guys can see here, it fits perfectly, and I will show you all the hacks, and then I like to use the little point just to chisel out that cheekbone more. And now let's begin with applying a good amount of serum and starting the routine. Alright my love, so to follow along, first after washing our face, you want to apply a good amount of the serum. I go in twice with about 4 to 5 drops total. I like to just really rub it gently into my skin. You want to have enough where your skin does feel very smooth and very glidable, so when we do apply the Gua Sha, it goes very, very smoothly. So if you have to add more serum, you add more serum, and I like to start with the top to really just chisel out the cheekbone. I like to just go in a little bit and then hold my skin up and go in upward motions. First, I have to show you the right way. You do not want to put it straight as you saw. You want to hold it in an upward angle so it glides upwards instead of being too harsh, because I have bruised my skin before doing this. It's natural for it to get very red, but as long as you do it in this very stern diagonal here instead of straight onto your skin, you should not have any problems. So first, I like to hold my skin up and go in upward motions for about 20 times. times, it should glide very seamlessly. You don't want it to feel like it's pulling your skin too much. It wants to feel like it's gliding, which is why a good serum is important. I will list a few of my favorites down below. This one is the Medicube one, and I just go like this above my cheekbones, and you guys will notice it getting a little red. It actually feels really good and soothing, and this also helps if you have any acne scars in this area, which is usually where they appear along with the jaw. So after 20 times, you will notice it is already lifted and just a little bit red. So then I like to go into my jawline, which really defines the jawline well. I start at the chin. You can see I do have some lingering scars there, and I will just go in upward motions to chisel out the jawline as well as get rid and penetrate these tiny scars. And you want to do that as well for another 20 times. Now I do want to show you another step I like when it comes to using a cream. This is the Proteini cream by Drunk Elephant. I got a small size of this as well, and I've been loving it. I've also been noticing it works really good for this as well, and I like to apply this part on my chin area and neck, and then I go in with the really bigger dip, I guess you can call it, and I like to just drain out the rest of the fluid from my face by going in this very unique direction where I just go up, down, and then shake it a little bit. This actually helps with your lymphatic drainage if you really want to get the bloating out of your face. And then I just finally go in with that little tip to really look at how chiseled out, you guys, the cheekbone becomes when you just do this a few times. You can already see the line so much better. This stuff works like crazy. And then the final thing I do is take the larger dip and just go in an overall upward motion to let the rest of the serum, lotions, and everything just soak into my skin, and finally lift my face. And it feels so good, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to try this, and let me know in the comments below, by the way, if you have used a Gua Sha or if you're interested in getting one. I'll have all the products linked down below. So thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. A thumbs up, comment, and comment I finished if you made it this far. Love you guys. Mwah.